Welcome.
Thank you.
Sit down.
What do you want to eat?
I don't know yet. Let's go see menu.
Okay. Excuse me, can I have menu please?
Oh. Here you go.
Thank you. Do you want to try it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh. What do you want?
We'll have the lamb beef and blue lobster please.
Okay, wait here for 5 minutes.
Wait, this one.
Oh, thank you.
It's the second time here.
No, third time. Okay. They want They want wait, I asked them. Oh, what do you want? What do you want?
I tell you already.
I can't remember.
Oh, why? Okay. We want well done with and
Okay. Right here.
what?
Come on. Do it. Oh my. Oh.
Already?
I think she already died.
Oh.
Wait now.
Call the police.
I don't know. Hey, waitress! No, waitress, you have to serve her. Fine. Come on. You're lazy, what? Go.
Oh, thank you.
Oh. Wait. You put a lobster in the microwave? Wait! I want more. Go. Here.
Oh, thanks.
You put a lobster in the microwave? Yes. Because that's how to make it. Isn't it? Have to put a pan with butter? What? No. Weird. Yeah. It's okay, just serve it. Hey, one.
Oh, you don't care?
Oh, I don't know. Oh my. It's okay. Clean out. Oh, eat it. Why you sit down? Oh, I'm late. Oh, you want to get fired? Oh, you want to get fired? No.
Do you want to eat this? Yeah, I want some okay. Waiter.
Oh, what? Okay, time to
Pretty enough.
What do you want?
Do you have pancake?
Oh, of course, we have pancake. What topping do you want? Honey, chocolate, or icing?
I want honey and icing.
Okay, wait here for 1 minute.
This one, really?
Pancake. You. No, you. Why me? Because you need to do it. I will not do it. Anyway, you want to get fired? Yes. Okay. Fine. Yeah, I see 1 point. Nora, go serve her. Okay. Here you go, your pancake, and this one what? This one is icing and this one is honey. Wait. Here you go. Oh, this is
Oh my god, this person is
Oh my god, no! Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I'll get some like tissue to clean you.
Are you okay? You're so naughty.
Oh, your hair too. It's messy. Oh, here too.
Hey.
Okay. Oh, wait. Your glasses. Just listen too. It's okay now. Okay. Oh, wait. At the back. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, and this pancake is for free, okay? How was it? Oh, it's very fun. What are you doing with the costume? Oh, I'm just putting them up. Ready? Yes. Yes. And of course, I give them a free pancake. You what? What? Free pancake. It's normal. Okay, fine. You fired. What? No. Yes. No, you can't fire me. Yes, I'm the head chef. I can fire you. No. Listen, you. I will stay here.
Why want to eat it?
Because I have the money. Or you wanna die here? No, I have no money. Because if I don't have no money,
Let's go.
I can eat ramen. Ramen? And I can eat noodles. Noodles? What are you talking about? Great, the customer is gone. No, yay! It's all your fault. No, it's not your fault. No, it's not my fault. It's your fault. What do you eat?